And what is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Weekend Warbucks. Today, we're going to be doing a product review on these wonderful things known as detail guards. These are from Nordica Plastics, and the good thing about this is that I won this. I won this on a channel that is also a detail channel. His name is Pan the Organizer. I'll have a link to him down in the description below. This is also a wonderful shirt that they sent me. But yeah, I won these on his channel, and I was like, yeah, dude, whenever I get them, I'll be sure to pimp out your channel. Hopefully, whenever you see this, maybe you'll pimp my channel out too, eventually. I wish you didn't live in Canada, because then we could collab. But anyways, so yeah, we're going to be testing these out, and this is one of those products where I'm like, why didn't I think of this? This is freaking genius. Have you ever had, like your garden hose stuck under your wheel? It's going to help prevent that. Let me show you how these are used, and let's get on with the review. It's going to be great. Can't wait to use these. All right, so if you're anything like me, whenever I'm using my hose here, and then I try to drag it over on the other side, you know that your hose always gets stuck under this wheel like this. And that's always how it happens. So when you're going through, and you're trying to pull your hose from down, and you know that it's going to get stuck under your wheel, and there you have it. So now you're stuck. And now that's where this product comes in with these detail guards. So what the idea behind these is that this slips right under your wheel. And this right here has a movable, whatever you want to call it. It slides right under, and this will forever prevent your hose from getting stuck under your wheel ever again. Pretty awesome of an idea, and I don't know why I didn't think of it. Let's test it out. Like a champion. Worked really well. So yeah, that's what these awesome detail guards are going to do right here. Help prevent your hose from getting tangled underneath your wheels, getting stuck. We all know what a pain in the butt it really is whenever we're trying to wash our car. So if this is something that you would like to get, go ahead and check out their link. That is down in the description below. It is the Detail Guards with a Z.com. And go ahead and order yourself a set of these. Obviously, it comes in a set of 4. But again, big shout out to Pan the Organizer. Glad that I won the contest. And thank you for sending these to me, because yeah, these are going to get a whole lot of use. Hopefully they hold up to the abuse, and maybe sometime down the line I'll give another review on these just to see if they held up or not. But yeah, that's going to be it, guys. If there's any other products that you would like me to try and test out, go ahead, put them down in the comments section below. I know this is a whole new series on this channel. It's not getting the views, but it's supposed to be having fun here on YouTube. And I know that not everybody that has subscribed to me all came for car detailing videos. They've either come for, my celebrity news stuff that I've had way back in the day, and probably not the new stuff. So I'm not really too worried about it. I guess it's kind of like a rebranding on this channel, and I'm going to be okay with that. I know it's all part of a process. It's kind of like starting out on YouTube all over again. What are you going to do? I got to do what I got to do, and I'm having fun doing it. At least I'm putting up videos. All right, guys, you have a great day. Stay awesome, and I'll see you next time.
Damn. Yeah.